The Houston real estate market is shifting in 2026, and whether you're buying, selling, or investing, this could be one of the most important windows of opportunity we've seen in years. Inventory is rising, negotiation power is returning, and the rules of the game are changing. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what's happening and what it means for your next move. Let's start right here in Houston. For the past several years, sellers had almost complete control of the market. Homes sold quickly, often with multiple offers, and buyers had very little leverage. But that's changing. Inventory levels have increased significantly, and homes are staying on the market longer. This gives buyers something they haven't had in a while: options. One of the biggest trends we're seeing right now is a strategic advantage for prepared buyers. With less competition and more homes available, buyers can take the time to evaluate properties carefully. This allows you to negotiate terms and make smarter long-term decisions. This is very different from the panic-driven market we saw just a few years ago. Buyers today can negotiate closing costs, repairs, and even price reductions. Opportunities that were nearly impossible during the peak seller-driven years. This shift is creating a strategic buying environment. For sellers, this doesn't mean homes aren't selling. Homes that are priced correctly, marketed effectively, and positioned strategically are still selling successfully. But pricing is no longer based on emotion or expectation. It's based on market reality. Sellers who understand this shift and adapt to it are still achieving strong results. The key difference now is strategy. This is no longer a market where simply listing a home guarantees immediate offers. Preparation, pricing, and positioning matter more than ever. Nationally, we're seeing similar patterns. Mortgage rates have stabilized compared to recent volatility, and inventory levels are slowly increasing across many markets. This creates a more predictable environment. We're no longer seeing the extreme spikes and volatility that define the last few years. Instead, we're seeing normalization, and normalization creates opportunity for informed buyers, sellers, and investors. Houston remains one of the strongest long-term real estate markets in the country. Population growth, job expansion, corporate relocations, and continued economic strength all support long-term housing demand. This means strategic real estate decisions made today can have significant long-term benefits. This is not a market driven by hype. This is a market driven by strategy. And understanding what's happening now allows you to position yourself ahead of the next shift. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Houston, this is the time to build a clear, personalized strategy. Every situation is different, every neighborhood is different, and every opportunity requires the right approach. DM me the word appointment and let's schedule a strategy session to discuss your goals and create a plan that positions you for success in this market. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe because I post new Houston market updates and strategy every single week. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing, or you're just not sure what your next move should be, you don't have to guess. You can go to soldbyshani.com or send me a DM with the word Houston and tell me a little about your situation. I'll take a look personally and tell you what I'd do if it were my own money. No pressure, no sales pitch, just clarity. I'll see you in the next video.